In this video, I'll show you how to change the post comment button text on blog post pages in Shopify Dawn theme. As an example, let's take a look at this blog post on my site. As you can see, if I scroll all the way to the bottom, there's going to be a leave comment form, as well as the post comment button right over here. So if you're looking to change the default button text to something custom, in this video, I'll show you how to do that. As usual, log into your Shopify admin account, then select Online Store. Now look for your current theme, in my case it's Dawn, then select 3 dots, and then click on Edit Default Theme Content. Once the page loads at top right corner, click on Search and Filter, and then in Search type the following: Post Comment. Under Article, you'll find the Post section, and that's where you can edit the button text. As in this example, it's changing from Post Comment to Submit Comment. And then finally, don't forget to save the changes. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update, then go back to your website and try refreshing the blog post page. Let's scroll all the way to the bottom, and so you can see the text was successfully updated. Now says Submit Comment. And this change will be reflected in other blog post pages. Let's take a look at another blog post. Let me go to blog. Let's open this blog post. And so you can see, here's the change. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found useful. If more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.